Hi guys, Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. Today's lesson is affiliate marketing for dummies, for beginners. Everyone starts somewhere. The basics of affiliate marketing are: number one, find your product. Number two, sell it to your friend. Number three, get paid. It's really easy in theory. So why aren't you making money yet? You've got to think, what niche am I in? There are three niches. One is dating, two is health, and three is making money online. Now, they're too general. So there are actually dating websites that you can promote, but there's probably ebooks on everything: what to wear, what to say, how to keep your man, blah, 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 blah. You can think of anything to do with dating, but you've got to hone it in somehow. So you can put it what to wear for a certain date of dating the part. So you could be more fashion orientated. It doesn't really matter, but you've got to know inside your head who is your target market. Health. Are you a personal trainer? Are you a keto fan? Are you a nutrition and vitamins fan? Do you want to lose weight? Do you want to concentrate on women losing weight? Do you want to concentrate on men losing weight? Do you want to concentrate on building muscle? What is your target market? Because you need to know this so you can hone in to find out where they live on the internet. Making money online, this is everybody's favourite one. Are you a Facebook fan, a YouTube fan, a Twitter fan, Instagram fan, LinkedIn fan? What is your, where do you spend most of your time, and what do you find that people and yourself struggle with most? Usually it's getting leads or automating the posts or answering the posts. So those are, it's, so I've honed in on that one already. So Facebook leads, for example, I can get 300 leads from one Facebook post. So I made an actual course up, and I called it something snazzy like Facebook leads machine, because if I can get 300 leads from one Facebook post, then so can you. So I've helped people on YouTube. Then I thought, well, hang on a minute, maybe I ought to monetize it. So you apply to go on the directories, and I got in first time. Exciting. Or I've actually bought ones, how to automate Instagram. You can go Instagram stories and Facebook stories. You can do anything that you like, but that one is more broader. But you can actually go into get the links for the health bits if you're really experienced, and do two niches. But for this purpose of this one, we are honing in our niche. So where do you live? Do you live on Facebook? Do you live on Instagram? Where do you live online? So what do your target market need the most? So I want you to think about that. So your homework for today is try and find 3 things that you could help people to do in your niche. And then tomorrow, we're going to show you where to find the products. So I'll see you on the next video, and happy marketing. Because if you follow this step by step, because I'm actually going to follow, we're going to do a capture page, and we're going to do some emails as well. So we're going to go on to the technical stuff. So we start off slow, understand what it is. And tomorrow we're going to find out where to find the products. Then we're going to go on to the technical bit. But believe me, 5 minutes for a capture page. It's unbelievable. It's really easy. Even you can do it. So I'll see you tomorrow on the next video. Bye, guys.